Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing your laptop and gathering essentials. Verify Windows 11 version and sign into your Google account. Download a Google Assistant host app or use a reliable third-party client. This bridges Assistant to Windows. Once done, grant microphone access when prompted so voice input works system-wide. Make sure background apps permission is allowed so Assistant can run minimized. These steps let the Assistant access audio and network resources, which is required for reliable wake word and command processing. Now you configure the client and link services so Assistant is useful. Sign into the Google account inside the app and accept permissions for microphone, notifications, and location if needed. Choose your preferred wake word or key shortcut, then select the correct input/output devices so audio routes cleanly. Next, connect Google Calendar, smart home devices, and music services to enable tasks and routines. These connections let Assistant access your data securely and perform actions on demand. Finish by testing functionality and setting a daily workflow. Try a few commands aloud, adjust volume and sensitivity, then create a routine for frequent tasks. If Assistant doesn't respond, first confirm microphone selection and app permissions in Windows settings, then verify Focus Assist or Battery Saver isn't blocking background activity. If issues persist, sign out and back into Google inside the client, restart the app, and reinstall as a last resort. This sequence isolates common faults and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.